The lawyers I work with all ask me the same thing. What is the fastest way to get Claude for Legal to help you with real work? So here's the step-by-step to get through the installation and setup and get you into productivity. I want to show you something. You can actually download this exact guide so you can follow step-by-step. It has all the screenshots of where to click and what to do. So I'll leave the link below. Step 1, open the Claude desktop app. If you don't have it installed, the link for that is below. Step 2, you're gonna go to Cowork. Step 3, click on Customize. Step 4, we're going to click on the plus and then Create Plugin and Add Marketplace. We're gonna click on Browse Anthropic Sources and then you're gonna see Legal right there and you're gonna click Add. Step 5, we're gonna click Done and it's gonna take us to where we just were. You're gonna click on the plus again, but now you're gonna click on Browse Plugins and search for Legal. So all the legal niches are going to come up, but I want you to focus on installing 3 of these. There's the legal, and then scroll to the bottom, you're going to see AI governance legal. That's going to help you with understanding risk, data privacy. That's obviously where we want to start with all of this. And then you're also going to install the legal builder hub. These 3 are going to give you pretty much everything you need to make sure that you're always compliant, and then some generic skills around meeting briefings and NDA triage. But do scroll through the list. If you find your area of specialty, add it as well. So that was step 6, the installation. Now let's move to step 7, which is the actual setup. You're gonna click on AI governance legal. That's where we want to start, doing audit of our systems and understand where there might be risks currently and avoid risks in the future. This is the skill that you're looking for, cold start interview. And you know it's a skill within the plugin because it has the /. You can activate any of these skills at any time in the chat. So if I click it, you'll see that it takes me to these list of skills, right? So cold start interview, and in the top right, the 3 dots, try in chat. But before we start this, I just want to make sure that you're using the best model for this. Always choose the latest Opus model, and then effort, I usually go with extra high, biggest bang for your buck. We're going to send that message. And now it's going to start asking us some questions. Okay, awesome. So I mentioned this is going to be the fastest possible setup. We're going to go with a 2-minute interview, but you can also go through the 15-minute interview. You'll get Claude to be more productive the more context that you give it. For this, since I'm not a lawyer, I work with lawyers, I'm going to be pretending to be the lawyer in one of the family law firms that I work with. So I'm going to say that I'm a lawyer. I'm going to say that this is a small law firm. We're going to say it's for attorneys. Okay, continue. And now it's going to come up with several follow-up questions that will actually guide it to who my firm is. So I'm going to say we are a 4-attorney family law firm, particularly specialized in divorce and custody. We do not focus on any other family law areas. And I'm gonna say that we use third-party AI tools. We don't build our own, but we might be interested in building our own. So we're gonna say that we build our own and we use others. Then where are people? We are in the US. All the other plugins are gonna feed from this interview, but in their own specialty. But as I tell my clients, the first place to start is always governance. And then from there, we can get the real productivity gains. One of the beautiful things about Cowork is that it will create a task list for itself. So you'll see the different steps that it's about to take. It's going to clarify whether, I'm a deployer first or builder first. Well, I use other AI tools. So deployer, which US state, we're going to say that we are in California. And it is done. It got our profile, the regulatory scope that it researched, and then some other things. It created a configuration for us within that plugin, within the AI governance legal. So what is next? There's 2 things that you have to keep in mind. The first one is asking, what are we missing? But since we chose the 2-minute interview, this might be redundant. In that case, just choose the 15-minute interview. But this is really important for when you're doing real work. So the second thing is, we're actually ready. What do we want to ask? What do we want to do next? Well, I recommend that you go to the AI Governance Legal plugin and you check out the skills that it has. Use case triage. Many of you might be interested in this one. You might have internal conversations about, hey, should we use this? Should we use that? Vendor AI review. I'm gonna go with that one. I'm gonna click on try in chat and I'm gonna say, we've been considering using Smokeball as our main platform, but we're not sure of the risks. We heard they have some AI tools, but how do we make sure that they are safe to work with and that all our client data is protected? Now that it has all your context, or a lot of your context, it will be able to do such a good job. And it'll create a report at the end, and then you will ask that exact same thing. What are we missing? There's always a key question. You have to treat Claude as a novice paralegal. They are bound to miss some things. So how would you treat a new employee, and how would you guide them through making sure that their work is better quality every time? The only difference is that instead of 2 or 3 years to train, it'll take you a few weeks. So remember that the power is in collaboration. So now you're set up. Go explore the other skills, but there's a lot and it might be too much. If that's the case and you want some help, you can book a free consultation with me below, and I'm happy to guide you on exactly what you need to become the most productive with Claude for Legal. I also have a webinar coming up where I get to deep dive with you into Claude for Legal and answer all of your questions as well. So the link for that is below. Go check it out and I'll see you there. And as I always say, remember to never stop prompting.